Yo, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome to the second episode of this $1,000 per month challenge, where I teach you every single step of the way of what it takes to develop an income source from scratch. So I'm going to show you by the end of the series how to get paid $1,000 per month in dividends without having to work at all. So you'll have a guaranteed income stream of $1,000 coming to you every single month without a miss. If you simply follow all the steps that I'm taking through these different episodes that I've been uploading, this is the second one, and every single week we buy 5 shares of a new dividend stock. That's how we are accomplishing this goal, and this is going to be episode 2. Stay in tune for more information. What's going on, subscribers? If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market, as well as financial advice that you can use in your daily life to become more financially well and better take care of others around you. So if you're interested in this type of content, make sure you subscribe, and please like the video before you get started. It really helps me out, and leave me a comment down below as soon as you're done of your opinion of this video. I do have some very special referral links that you can use for free money, free stocks. So this is for M1 Finance. You get $10 if you choose to invest with them as soon as you sign up. And then with Robinhood, you get a free stock, absolutely free, as long as you sign up with that link that I have in the description. I highly recommend this brokerage. It's my favorite, and it's the one I use for this challenge. It makes it super simple. And then we have Acorns. Get free $5 of spending money if you use the link that I have in the description. I absolutely love this brokerage because you can connect it to your debit or credit card, and you can basically invest your cash back. I have videos of that as well. And also Webull, you actually get 2 free stocks instead of just 1. And I actually did this as well, and I got about $15 of free stocks that I sold. So I got to keep those $15 and invest that in whatever I wanted to. So I have no idea why you wouldn't want to use that. A lot of free value given to you just by using that link. And then this secured credit card, you get $50 of free spending money. This is insane. I would definitely take advantage of this if I could again. And you get 1 to 2% cash back on every single purchase with this card whenever you're done registering for it. Alright, so welcome to week 2. With week 2, we're going to buy 5 shares of a new dividend stock. And this week I chose FRT, Federal Realty Trust. This is a real estate investment trust that invests into real estate properties. I'm going to read off to you the description of the business, but it's valued at $131 right now. I went ahead and bought 5 shares of them. So the sector is in real estate. Federal Realty is a recognized leader in ownership, operation, and redevelopment of high-quality retail-based properties located primarily in major coastal markets from Washington, D.C. to Boston, as well as San Francisco and LA. And so now, in addition to this FRT 5 shares, last week we bought M, and we have 5 shares of that. So I'm buying 5 shares of a new dividend stock every single week, and I'm sticking to that. If you want to see all the guidelines that I use for this challenge, they're all going to be on the initial episode of this series. I actually have a playlist that you can easily find on my channel. So if you want to read it, see the videos in order, I think that will benefit you, especially if this is your first video seeing of this series. So basically they invest in investment properties for retail purposes. They've been really successful. They've been in the market since 1978, so that says a lot. And this stock is also a dividend king, and it has a streak of 51 years of continuing to pay a dividend payment and raising it. So this increases my confidence dramatically. And one thing I love looking at is the max chart of any stock. If it continues to grow like this, the way it has been for so long, it gives me so much confidence that this stock is really good. It always seems to be making higher highs. Obviously, it does have times where it goes down in value, but since I am investing in this for dividend purposes, that doesn't really matter to me. I don't care about capital return. It can go down in value, it doesn't matter to me. What matters is that it continues to pay that dividend payment, and it continues to raise it. So that's my plan with this portfolio that I'm setting up, where I'll eventually have an income stream of $1,000 per month. And you can easily do this as well. Just follow the guidelines that I have on the first episode and follow with me. Let me know on your progress that you're making every single week, which 5 shares did you buy of what company, and what the dividend yield of that is. So that's FRT for the second week. It has a 3.18% dividend yield, so it's pretty good. I'm trying to buy above 3%. I did make a mistake with this stock that I didn't realize until after. I wanted to keep a payout ratio of less than 70%, but for some reason I just ignored that for this stock without even realizing it, and it actually has a 120% payout ratio, which makes me very nervous because that's really high. But because of the long track record and the history and the max chart, I'm actually okay with this, so I'll leave it as that for now. I think since it's a REIT, they're gonna have really high payout ratios, but they're supposed to for legal reasons. So I don't think it's really gonna be that big of an impact. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Even though for the future reference, I'm gonna try to remember to keep the payout ratio less than 70%. I'm also gonna show you the spreadsheet that I've been keeping up with. So every single week, I'm adding the new shares that I bought. I'm calculating the monthly payout in dollar value. I'm also calculating the quarterly payout, so every 3 months, the yearly payout, the pay per share, and also I'm calculating how much monthly amount I need now after the 5 shares that I bought of that stock. So last week, I showed you guys the spreadsheet, and because of that investment that I made into Triple M, now instead of needing the whole $1,000 per month, now I lowered that after the first week to $998. So now last week I only needed $998 more per month to be able to achieve my $1,000 per month goal. But now, because I bought 5 shares of FRT, now I just need $996 per month. So it's slowly lowering, usually by $2, but this is gonna snowball effect, and it's gonna be a very small number soon. I just have to consistently be doing this. I know it seems like it's gonna take forever, but it really is not, and it's not gonna take a lot of my money because I'm actually getting paid with those dividends. So I'll basically be using the same money they're giving me in dividends to reinvest it into other dividend stocks. So it's every time I buy more, it takes less and less of my money, and it basically begins to compound. If I stick to it and have discipline on sticking on buying 5 shares per week of a new dividend stock, I'll definitely be able to achieve my goal. And I also calculated the projected years needed to achieve the $1,000 per month goal based on the shares that I'm buying and their dividend yield, and it basically gives me an average. And right now we're sitting at just 5 years. So 5 years are gonna pass either way. The only difference is I'm gonna have a $1,000 per month cash flow coming in every single month, or I'm not. It all depends on the actions that I take now. The time is gonna pass. 5 years are gonna pass sometime soon, so I might as well take advantage of that time and actually have $1,000 per month. How many people can say they have a cash flow of $1,000 per month that requires no work, nothing from them, and that they set up, and it continues to pay them every single year no matter what? This is really beneficial, and I can see a lot of people benefiting from having an extra $1,000 per month and cash flow coming in every single month. So it seems really reliable, so I'm going to stick to this. Even if it takes 5, 10 years, 15, 20 years, I still think it's worth it because you'll be able to have that consistent income no matter what. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this series, make sure you subscribe so that you do not miss out any brand new videos. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like the video to show your support, and make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for helping me reach 300 subscribers. I couldn't have done this without you, and I'm very excited for the future. I really appreciate all the support. Make sure you leave a comment down below and subscribe and like the video. Alright, I'll see y'all in episode 3, coming at you every single week on Mondays, alright? So we'll see what the next dividend stock will be. Take care.